else what you're doing, skirting around like a mouse looking for cheese. You need gun and clever mind to survive.
No, I don't mean any harm, and I certainly don't mean to fight any soldiers. I'm just passing through.
No one is just passing through around here. You mean running, no?
Well, avoiding a misunderstanding.
Running, duh.
What's it to you? Are you going to let me go or not?
You cannot run from your problem. You will solve nothing by running from your problem. You'll need to stand and fight. Mow them down as they round the corner. Grind them into the dust as they come for you. But never run. Always stand and fight.
I really don't think...
Shh! It's not safe making this much noise here. Very dangerous. Come, I show you somewhere safe.
I see you're back.
Of course I am.
And you brought someone.
Yes, this man was running from one of the powers. I thought he would join us.
It's always good to have another hand around here. Helps with the heavy lifting. What's your name?
Sylvester Armitage.
Lovely to meet you. I'm Kay. This is Emmeline.
Emilian Anton the Third, and last.
Yeah, that's easy to remember, Emmeline. So, where are you from? And why are you running?
Oceania, outer party technician. There was a misunderstanding and I had to leave.
Technician, isn't that...
Yeah. Blythe was looking for a helper. Okay, go down that way, go behind a few doors, listen for the really loud noises, but find Blythe. Well, move on, go on. Now, about the garden.
Yes, harvest time?
Yeah.
Yes, should be safe to get heavy load this time. Your Asian garrison on the other side of the forest is abandoned now. It's very quiet there.
Let's get them then.
Hello there. Okay, this is what we've been working on here. We're trying to get some kind of EMP device to get these guys' radios down, and then we can do whatever the hell we please around here. This will be the controller card for it. I see you're an outer-party technician then?
Yes, though I never had to work with anything this complicated.
Oh yes. You'll be getting the hang of it. Don't worry, here. There's the interface. I'll connect with that. Really, it's just learning a bit where this goes. Is there. After a bit of memorizing, just goes second nature. Nothing compared to the nuclear technology I used to be working with.
You were nuclear technician? That's very interesting. How did you end up here?
I'm doing some thinking, and the party doesn't exactly approve of that. I came to realize that if the system is broken in the first place, things are never going to be improving. Humanity's progress just grinds down, and all too big out. I mean, look at this stuff. This stuff is a good, 40, 50 years. There hasn't been anything good made since the parties took over.
Life is pretty bleak.
Oh yeah, but it's still worth it. It's still worth it. Yeah. That's gonna be what's controlling the whole thing. A lot of the chaps would have shot themselves, jumped from one building or another, done all kinds of stupid things. It's just a waste. No matter what you gotta hang on to your life. They win if they take your will to live away, but even if they shoot you, they lose if you still got your will. That's what they do.
Soldiers, many of them, they advance from the east.
Garden! Look at my garden!
No, wait, there's too many of them.
That garden, we need it!
No, wait! They're coming.
Is this it then?
Yes. For them? Here. Take this. And you take this one. I will slaughter them all. If any come through, kill them. Perforate them. They will not survive this. This gun is accurate is powerful, it is far quieter than it has any right to be. There will be no survivors. Goodbye. Open up! There's no escape!
Open up for the party! We
Open up!
need you! Open!
Boy! Open up!
Looks like the scientist. Oh, yeah, not bad.
Friends, I will live on for you.